In drug discovery, understanding the reasons for past failures is crucial to improving your chances of success. When it comes to clinical trials, the decisions made in designing patient eligibility criteria can boost the chances of success or severely impede a drug's progress to market. This is the case for all research areas, but it is even more critical in rare disease research, where patient recruitment is a major barrier. To alleviate this burden, we've added trial eligibility criteria to our clinical trial module of more than 150,000 drug trials. This data is available in tabular format, which simplifies analysis across trials and allows you to review related trials and understand what strategies led to success or failure, review how eligibility criteria evolved across related trials and as a drug progressed through various phases, consider criteria across trials and inform trial designs, and identify gaps and areas of opportunity. With this data, you can do even more with your well-connected clinical trial metadata module, further empowering your decision-making. For more details, check out our blog.